What do you think, Chuck? That's a busy one there, huh?
She is the more active of the two. I think she will be more social than him a little bit. I think she will adapt a little quicker. So
You're going to get a kiss whether you want one or not. Your wife's going to get jealous. Another woman kissing you. Yeah. Oh, try and put her off on me. Wake up, girl. Yeah, you want to go home with me? You want to go home with us? Yeah, you want to go home with us? Yeah, you want to go home with us? Try and get a video for Solange, but she wants to. Ollie, you want to say hi to Mom? It's a video. You want to say hi to Mom? Say hi, Mom. I'm going to send it to her. She's in Brazil. I'm going to send it to her. Yeah? Yeah, you just don't seem to matter at all. You're not really jealous. You're not just. And she's a lot more people focused than what Ollie seems to be. Is that just personality, or is that just because she's a puppy? She's more people focused than Ollie is. Is that just her personality, or is that just her age?
oh, he realized you're there.
You gonna come see me? I thought you were gonna play with Ollie for a little bit. I thought you were gonna play with Ollie.
That's the boy. He's a little more gentle than the girl. A little more laid back. He'll train fast because he's going to be an adult young. Yeah.
Ollie just wants to play. He says, "Come on, chase me, goofball."
His tail's wagging today because yesterday it wouldn't wag at all. All he would do is go lay down in the corner.
Why? Why? Yeah. Yeah. Say hi to Mom. Say, Mom, do you want me too? You want me? Or you want my sister? Yeah, do you want me or you want my sister? Which one you want? Ollie didn't play with him as much as I thought he would. I figured they would run and chase.
I think he will once he gets adjusted to him, and once they get adjusted to him. Now that we know that they're not aggressive toward each other, we can put them out and play for their playtime.
So this is the girl again.
The only thing he hasn't had much of is time with Walt this time. Do you want to get him just pal around for a little while?
I'm taking some video. I'm going to send it to Solange.
This was a very rough clipping job on the puppies. We just tried to get it done fast yesterday. And it was for training as much as anything. Now, are you still planning on picking Ollie up on Saturday?
Friday or Saturday, yeah, I need to talk to you about that and try and figure out what works.
And I love the coloring myself.
Yeah, I've never seen the black and tan.
There's quite a few different colors in Europe, and actually they are more the original color of the poodles, and gradually, you know, they bred the colors out to just black and white, and that's what all the judges prefer in the U.S. And we have trouble championing any of our apricots or browns or even silvers and blues. It's difficult. A lot of blues get dyed black for the show ring. I don't think it's legal, and it's not supposed to be legal, but they never kick him out of the show ring.
Well, I think you said Ollie's actually blue.
He is a black.
Oh, he's black.
It's her other litter was a blue.
Oh.
Trudy is a blue.
No, this is black.
She is blue.
She's blue. Oh, so the standard's blue.
The standard is
She actually looks more black than he does.
at this age, yes. And she's going to be a very dark blue like Lacey. Like Lacey and Yanni. True is a light blue. She's wanting to snuggle.
Yeah.
She's very loving and affectionate. There's no problem with that. The more she develops, the more I think we did not get a good reading on her temp test. I think gestationally, she was just a much younger puppy than we thought. Her and number 6 boy bull. That's why I haven't pushed to sell them. That's one reason I tried to sell them, because I wanted to see them develop further to get a good idea.
Hold it.
Okay.